welcome to Caleb's Clay Videos. Today we're gonna make this video game little clay called Among Us. So, here are the balls. You'll need one big ball, one medium ball, and one little tiny ball. There'll be more soon, but right here. And you'll need a tool that looks like this.
Or you could just use plastic Play-Doh. Plastic Play-Doh.
Or you could just use plastic.
Or any kind.
Or you could just use Play-Doh instead of clay.
Play-Doh dry. You need to use clay.
Don't
You
get
could use-
sharp objects.
you
Use
could-
plastic objects.
You could use, I don't know, any kind of tool. Okay. So
Okay.
first,
You take this one. First, you need the big ball.
smush it,
You're gonna need to smush it down.
and then if you see like a little square, I just use
You
it.
could just pat it on the circle.
Okay. And then see this. Whoop, 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 whoop.
What? Caleb just did a magic trick. So the clay was a circle, and now it's a square. Look,
See?
see? It was a circle, now it's a square.
Well, circle square. Okay, now get your
Get your little tool
tool out. And you see right here,
in the middle.
you cut it
You
right
cut it.
there.
Just don't cut it off. Just cut it.
You cut it right there. Then cut it right here.
And then you
slide
take it off.
And
Nope,
then you
it's
got
like it
this.
has, now it has little legs.
Okay, then that's the way, and that's how you make Among Us. Just kidding. Okay, put this away. Dun, 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 dun,
What?
dun, 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 dun.
There was just this little ball there, now it disappeared. Cool, magic powers.
Okay, and then you get this.
What? He did another magic trick. He's doing so many magic tricks. He got the medium ball out.
Yeah.
You need a medium ball.
Then you pinch it
You pinch it.
here, 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 here.
Whoa, what? He made it like a pyramid. So that's what you do. You pinch it each side, and it looks like a pyramid.
Next, you do this.
Well, what? He stretched out.
Okay,
It's like stretched it like right. So you need to like stretch it out. Now like pull it out.
and
And you have
I
a like
just
little
do this.
like little.
Like here, kind of like a zigzag.
And you do like a zigzag.
Yeah, but straight right here and stop. Then you put
show
it. You put it on. You put it on, but you don't do it yet. You're missing something.
No, let me show you how it looks like right now. So it looks like this. Like a zigzag, like a little right here. So, and I'm gonna place it back right here. Remember, it's like this. Have a look at it.
I'll put it right here. Okay, next,
Now,
I want to get some little clay.
he will get some little clay. What? Look, he's trying to cut the little ball of clay. Okay.
Okay.
So you will get a little ball of clay right there.
Let me see it now.
Now
Great.
you point it, your little plastic knife. Like stick it in there. It's like
Oh wait, let me check something.
he'll check on the pop. He was gonna.
Okay, yeah,
he's
now
checking
I'm
it.
checking. Now, do this.
You like make it like flat. Looks like
This.
like that, like a ear.
But then you can push it. And squish it like this.
And you squish
Make
it
it little.
to make it
Do
little.
not like do Here, so you know this piece of clay. Remember when we cut this one? Don't squish it like this.
Don't squish it like super flat.
Squish it like this. Just make it smaller, make it shrink. Okay. Then we put it on here. Connect.
What? You made like a little ball on it. You need a little ball. So you need to look at it.
Okay.
It looks like this.
I fell down.
Hold on.
Yeah, you
Okay, so you do it like that.
stick it.
It's like a bell.
Stick it. Okay, next we don't have this guy finished yet. We'll go get my stuff.
Pause. Okay, so you got his stuff. Yeah, that's what he got.
And then these are my molds.
He got some molds.
I
the
made
black
some
ones.
molds. So sometimes I use this for my Among Us character, but it doesn't really fit. I didn't use it. Yeah. And then these are the glass. Then this is the hand. But I'm not using this
Yeah,
today.
That's,
Okay. See this guy? Okay. See this one?
mm-hmm.
Okay. Roll it.
We get another
You
piece
can't
of
do
clay.
it like that, but you can do it anyway. So I just
So you need to
rolled it.
roll it.
I just rolled it.
Get a piece of clay and roll it. And it doesn't have to be that big.
Then you see this? You like kind of squish it.
You kind of squish it and you show them.
Then you kind of squish it.
And you show them the inside.
Then squish it.
Just squish it.
Oh. Okay. And then you squish it at the bottom. But then wait. Mostly just do a little circle. Then pinch these two sides. Pinch these two sides.
Pinch the two sides.
And then turn them. Make them curvy right here.
Make them curvy.
Then put them on any side you want. I'm gonna put it on this side. Or
So you put it on like,
right here, but
so you get your little player.
you put your little Among Us character.
Not on the sides, you put it.
You can put it anywhere, but I'm gonna put it right here.
You
Don't put it like
each
right
side,
here.
Not like
Put it right here.
on top. Right here. Here, let me show them.
Right here. See?
Like that. Let me show them inside.
Okay, and then you get a circle, or I don't know what it's called, car shape. And then you turn it to a circle. You spin. I would spin it around like this, and then I square that.
And you go flat. So you make like a square again. Don't squish it that
But
much.
then don't put it right here. Put it.
You're
in the
gonna
back.
flip your little character. You're gonna put it in the back. Just right in the middle.
Right here.
Mhm.
And then right here. See?
Mhm.
But then put the hat.
Put the hat on your little character.
Christmas hat.
And it's a Christmas hat.
And then that's how it looks.
That's how it looks.
On part 2, we're going to do a suit. So on this one, very
So
suit.
save your little Among Us character and
Don't
part
bake
two-
it right now.
Don't bake it, not yet.
Save it till part 2.
So this is how it looks like. And this shows the back. Here again. In the back, like that, like that. It's almost like an elf hat. That's it. So based on the Among Us hat in the game. So,
Wait, part 2.
What
Wait,
to
you want to
part
see him
two?
walk?
mhm.
Magic, where's my magic? Scan, scanning, scan,
Okay.
scan, scan. Oh wait, my magic wasn't working.
His magic wasn't working. He couldn't do it. Well, probably you could see it in the part 2. So, bye.
Bye.
Forget I'm Abner. And
Caleb.
he's Caleb.
This is bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Marcus.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Aha.